In this video, we'll be talking about how to expand and develop your melodies. I'm going to make a quick melody right now and I'm going to show you some techniques that will help you develop it. I have a drum loop playing and I'm just going to go through some synth sound. Let's just make something really simple. I'm going to start off by doing half notes and start off with something really simple. Alright, so here are the notes that I came up with. So the first technique we're going to discuss is passing notes. One thing we can do is put passing notes so you can see in between these two notes right here. There's a big interval and you could put a passing note in between them. Kind of like a step ladder so that we can transition between notes and it's less jarring. Once again, using your ears and listening to where you think passing notes are appropriate. A passing note doesn't have to be in between two pitches. It can be higher or lower. All that matters is that it sounds good. So this section sounds a little boring to me, so I'm going to add some ornamentation. Ornamentation is a melodic decoration. The feel of the melody feels the same, but we're going to add something extra to it to spice up our melody. Let's try switching this up like this. Let's see how that sounds. Okay, I think that sounds pretty good for now. Another technique we can do is called suspensions. A suspension is where you extend the length of a note over a strong beat. So, for example, let's double this melodic line real quick. I'm gonna copy, paste this like that. There's gonna be a really strong downbeat on the 5th bar. Right here. So, what you can do is drag this note over this melody like this. So here's what that'll sound like. Has like a really cool delayed transition into the downbeat. This creates a delayed transition to the next melody line, which sounds pretty cool to me. You can even do this in the beginning like this. So let's delete our passing note we had earlier. And move this down and extend this note all the way like this. And this is what it's gonna sound like. So there you have it. We discussed 3 new melodic techniques that you can use to implement this into your own production. I'll see you guys next time.